Hello good people and welcome back to another math video. This is our 5-a-day math review for Thursday, March 26, 2020. Let's get started. Number 1 says, use substitution to match solutions to the equations. So the numbers that are here in the brackets that they gave you, 7, 2, 6, and 4, those are possible solutions, and we're seeing which equation they might match, and we're being asked to use substitution. So that's where we replace a variable with a value. So let's start out here. We have a plus 2 equals 9. I could replace it with the first one, and I think I'm going to get lucky here. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Is that true? That is true. So in this case, a equals 7, and I'm done with that one. Okay, the next one was 2 plus b equals 6. So I have to end up with 6. I have 2. So let's see, I could substitute in. It looks like it's going to be 4 to me. Let's see. 2 plus 4, does that equal 6? It does. So b is going to be 4. The last equation was c plus 1 equals 7. So I'd have c plus 1 more. It's going to give me 7. So I think 6 is going to work for that. Let's try it out. 6 plus 1, does that equal 7? Yes. So c is equal to 6. Next up, we have the commutative property. It just says use this to write an equivalent expression. Well, if this is school and this is home, we talked about the commutative property like your commute to school. If you went out here, you went this way, and then you went this way, you got to school. It was a certain distance. And if we had a road kind of exactly on the other side, kind of did the opposite, you could get to school either way. So, and your commute would be the same. So when we use the commutative property, we just take this and we say that we can write it in a different order, and we still would get the same solution. And 5 plus 9 is 14, and 9 plus 5 is 14. And that's the commutative property. The next question says, identify if this question is statistical or non-statistical. What color are your eyes? And it's asking like you as a person, asking you. So for me, the answer is blue. My eyes are blue. There's no other option for me. And your eyes may not be blue, but whatever color they are, there's no other option for you either. That's it. So there's only one answer to this question. And when there is only one answer to a question, and we do not need to collect any data and do any analysis in order to come up with the answer, then that is a non-statistical question. So what color are your eyes? That is a non-statistical question. There is only one possible answer. No need to collect data. All right, number 4, graph and label the polygon. And we have a series of points here. So let's get started. The first one is 3, 1. So 3, 1, if this is my origin here, 0, 0. 3, 1, I count over 3. 1, 2, 3, up 1. And my first point will be right here. That's going to be point 3, 1. And my next point is 9, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That will be right here. That's going to be 9, 1. And then I have 9, 7. So I'm over 9 again, but this time up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9, 7. Will be here. And the last one is 3, 7. So this will be 3, 7. Graph and label the polygon. Let's see. So if I connect these, so it's either a square or a rectangle. Let's see. It's got perfect 90-degree angles all the way around. Let's count our sides. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a square because all sides are exactly the same and it has 90-degree angles. Next one also asks us to graph and label a polygon, different set of points. We have some negative integers here. The first one is 4, 2, so I am going to be left of the origin for my x value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point right here will be negative 4, 2. Then I have negative 8, 2. So this will be negative 8, 2. Then I have negative 8, 8. So negative 8, but negative 8, 8 up here. And the next one is negative 4, 8. Negative 4, 8. So again, I'd say we're in the square or rectangle neighborhood again. We have right angles, but this time on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, I just only have 4 units across the base, but for the height I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units for the height. So this shape is a rectangle. Alright, that is it, folks. That is the end of the math video here and the end of the week. So hope you had a great week, and we'll see you again soon.